Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Can-Am SPYDER ST Limited with 7,352 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Garmin GPS mount and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. The SPYDER is in a class of its own and stands out with its unique 3-wheel design. Offering power and agility, the SPYDER is also comfortable and capable of long days of riding. Powered by a 998cc engine, the SPYDER puts 106 horsepower and 77 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 697 pounds and has a 29-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.